Discover effective strategies on how to kickstart your vegan fitness plan. I'll personally show you simple ways to stay healthy and get the kind of body you're proud of when you go vegan. Dear friend, here's something interesting. Once mocked as a cult-like fad trend, veganism has started becoming more popular and mainstream in the United States. Today's vegans come from all walks of life, including working moms, college students, teenagers, even professional athletes.
Vegans have since come a long way, and the good news:
vegans don't have to stick to just plain old steamed vegetables and brown rice anymore. In fact, there are now more diversity in terms of cooking and choosing the right kind of ingredients for your vegan diet. And more vegan dishes available, with restaurants promoting their plant-only menu. Have you ever wondered why many prominent athletes opt for plant-based protein instead of animal protein? That's because research by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that plant protein diets is the better choice for building muscles. Let me explain. Plant-based protein is packed with antioxidants and fibers which can enhance body recovery. Less inflammation in the body would mean that athletes only need minimal amount of time to heal from muscle aches and pains. Also, did you know that you don't need meat, dairy, egg whites or proteins like chicken or fish to build muscles for you? That's right, you don't. In fact, the kind of plant-based foods that can help you build muscle mass are alkaline. They increase your body's pH levels to combat inflammation, which is common when you consume large amount of animal protein. Superfoods like tempeh, quinoa, pumpkin seeds and almond butter are great sources of plant protein. And there's no better time than now to start turning the tables in your favor. It's time to look good and feel better like never before.